Hi guys, welcome again to the Friday tutorial. My name is Lest Wonka and today we're still inside After Effects. We have a very nice video today and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Like, comment and share after the tutorial. Hi guys and welcome again to the Friday tutorial. I got some question about how to export file from After Effects. So today I'm going to teach you that, and in less than 2 minutes you're going to know how to do that. So here we go in After Effects. So we are going to import the file first. Today I'm going to teach you how to export file from After Effects, nothing else. If you guys have any question about After Effects or any other software, just let me know in comments and I can do a tutorial for next week. Thank you. So there is two methods to import your file from After Effects. The first one and the easiest one is to come here, composition, add to random queue, and you check the lowest here. Here you have to choose the format you want. You have Photoshop sequence, PNG, but for today I think most of you want to know about the video. So QuickTime here is for the video, and you have to change the format for the video. Animation is not going to play on any device, so you have to check this one is MP4 and HD video. So H264 here. You just click here and OK. This is not too important. This is just about to tell you the place you are going to export your file. So mine is going to be on my desktop. Check OK and render. This is the stuff you just export. So the second way to do that is to make sure first that you have media encoder. That I was telling you before is this one. This one is not an editing program. This one is just about to help you to export file from After Effects or Premiere Pro, for Photoshop, whatever you want. So to do that you have to come here, export, and add to Adobe Media. Once you do that, you will go inside this application and export your file. But for me, I think the first way I teach you is the most easy and the best one. So you don't need to use Adobe Media because it's like too much stuff for nothing. Thanks for watching the tutorial, and see you next Friday for another tutorial. Any question, write in the comments below and make sure to subscribe, and see you next week.